Let's check out this photo album by Vienrose. I have a bunch of photos that I really need to put away properly. I've been procrastinating on it for too long, so I picked this up. I like that it comes with a marker. We'll get to this in a minute. It's really the album that I want to look at, so let's get right to that. This neutral beige album has a great fabric feel on the cover. There's one frosted page and then it gets right to the photo pages. Each page has the right amount of stiffness to support the photos that I want to put in there. I also want to point out the way that these pages are attached. See, the paper doesn't go all the way into the binding. It's plastic that attaches them. That's going to allow them a lot of freedom of movement without creasing, crunching, crackling. In short, I like it. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. I peel back the plastic film and I'm going to put some pictures in. I've selected 4x6s because that's what I have to print. This book also works with 8x10s and 5x7s. And if you're feeling adventurous, you could do wallets too, or custom sized. Ooh. All right, so I dropped in two 4x6s side by side and they fit just right. You can see a rough idea of the measurements here. And that leaves me plenty of room on the top or the bottom. I could put in some captions. For the more scrapbooky among us, maybe some decorations, gives you plenty of room for that. All right, so let's proceed. Let's say I like the placement. I put the film back over it and it's pretty easy to smooth down. Maybe not perfect because I went quick. No worries. I peel the plastic back again and I can smooth it back down. But let's say I didn't like the placement of my pictures. Can I peel them off again? And the answer is yes. They're pretty easy to reposition. Maybe you're not like me and you do it perfectly the first time. You might want those photos to stick down harder and never come up again, but that's not me. I design as I go. Therefore, I like the freedom to reposition them. So you saw two portrait pictures side by side, me in the studio and me frowning at a bunch of grapes. Well, here's a different orientation for the pictures. I've got one vertical and one horizontal. This was from that time that I wore a cardboard suit of armor and went on a rampage. Doesn't everybody? I like that these pages are the right size so that I can fit a horizontal and a vertical 4x6 on the same page. Once again, still plenty of room for captions. Yeah, this album is going to work very well for my purposes, and my wife's going to roll her eyes when she sees what I've done with it. More power to her. But I bet by now you thought I forgot about the pen. No, we're coming back to it. My understanding is that you can write directly on the pages if you want with this marker, but I tend to move my captions around, so I always do them separately. So this gives you an idea of what the marker looks like when writing on a plain white label. All said and done, I'm very happy with this album and I have no problem recommending it. Consider it for your photo projects as well.